Behind here, 0-2. Drives it to left. Juan Pierre looking up, and that ball is Goldie gone. Over the Clevelander. Paul Goldschmidt, his 11th home run of the year, and the Diamondbacks take a quick 2-0 lead. There's another $150 to Central Arizona Mountain Rescue from our friends at Fulton Homes.
Remarkable. He takes a rolling breaking ball for a strike one in the sequence. Almost the same pitch there on a 2-strike count, just hanging over the middle of the plate, and Goldie absolutely